Just that much in the opening, right? So we're starting out on the 11th fret of the G string, and of course I'm employing my 1 finger per fret technique. We have 11th fret, 10th fret, 9th fret, 8th fret right here. So your middle finger should really be on this F sharp of the 9th fret of the A string. That should kind of be home for this little part of the riff. So it's when you get there, so you're gonna play these F sharps. You're gonna play this F sharp twice. But of course, when you going from the second pluck of the F sharp to the E sharp, you're going to do what's called a pull off. So you're going to pull off this F sharp into this E sharp. And then you're going to pluck it again. Then you're going to kind of repeat that process from the E sharp to the D sharp. So you're doing a pull off, and then another pull off, and then a pluck. When you get to the D string now to play this C sharp right here at the 11th fret, you're first going to play it with a hammer on, and then you're going to follow playing another C sharp with a slap. Then you're going to make a pull off from that C sharp to the A sharp, and that A sharp is at the 11, 10, 9, 8th fret of the D string. And then you're going to hit it a slap again. Then you're going to come back to the 11th fret of the A string. Hammer on the 11th fret. Alright, that's a G sharp, so you hammer on and then you slap. And then you're gonna hit the F sharp. So you work on it a little bit. Let's slow it down just some more. Of course, that F sharp, you shouldn't slap it first. You should play it as a hammer-on note, and you're going to use your middle finger at the 9th fret of the A string. That's that opening riff right there. Then you're going to just leave that F sharp, and then you need to move your fretting hand to a whole step lower than your E flat on the B string. So we're going to take the index finger to the 2nd fret of the low B, and then I'm going to hit with a slap with my thumb, and then I'm going to slide from this C sharp or D flat into E flat. So I'm sliding from the 2nd fret into the 4th fret, and I'm only playing it with one slap. Of course, when you finish that, when you finish sliding into it, you're going to do a pop on the A string at the 6th fret, and that's your E flat. So I played 3 notes really, but I attack them twice with my plucking hand. Okay, do that much. Pop on the E flat at the 6th fret on the A string. Then there's like almost another muted note, a mute open string that follows that E flat. So E flat to D flat, that's at the 4th fret of the A string, and then C. Just like that. Then we're going to go for the B flat at the G string and the 3rd fret. And then we're going to play B natural, and then C, and then F sharp with the middle finger. So of course we're still working that 1 finger per fret. Alright, I almost have another mute note happening in there. It just adds to the bounce of everything. There's another little slap in there. It's a muted open string. So you have your B flat, then B, then C, and then F sharp. And then now you can play from F sharp to G at the 11th to 12th fret. And then everybody comes in, the whole band comes back in on the 1. Alright, now that walk up from the B flat, that B flat is played with the pinky, 4th finger at the 6th fret of the E string. So there's your B flat, and then C with this finger, and then C sharp, and then D, and then we go back to the low B string for that E flat. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Back to the low E flat. So we're really spreading out those fingers to make it happen. Alright, and I kind of add a little bit of some extra muted slaps in there. It just adds something else to the rhythm. So I hit the string like almost 2 times, but of course the intensity is softer. Right? And then I do the same thing on the A string.